Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. Okay, so in today's video we're going to take a look at the iOS 8 Beta 2 release. So as you know, the iOS 8 Beta 1 was released a couple weeks ago. So the iOS 8 Beta 2 is now out. And a lot of people were expecting this to be a good release with a lot of bug fixes. But so far from my usage, I was unable to find anything impressive. So if you want to learn what the iOS 8 brings to the table, go and watch my video that runs the iOS 8 Beta 1 with the new features, okay? I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go watch all the videos relating to iOS 8 Beta release. But if you simply want to know what iOS 8 Beta 2 brings to the table, there really is nothing major, okay? I mean, there's still bugs in the system, and there's app crashes. Apps like WhatsApp app still does not work due to iCloud syncing issues. But I mean, for example, if you go to the App Store and if you tap search, you can't even search for an app. So that is no good. If I was looking for the YouTube app, which I don't have right now, I am unable to search and install this. Okay? And sometimes when you go into the settings, and let's say you go somewhere over here, you're doing something, changing something. If you click the home button, it doesn't work. So sometimes the home button gets stuck, so you have to restart the phone to re-enable the home button. Okay, like I said, apps still crash, and the only new thing that is going on is on the iPad. As you know, Apple introduced this quick type feature where when you're typing stuff, you get recommendations on the top here based on what you're typing. Okay, so that was not available in the iPad, but now with the iOS Beta 2 it is in fact available on the iPad. Alrighty, but again, nothing major going on. There's some subtle changes. For example, if you go to the Photos album, like let's say you go to camera, right, and let's say you record a slow motion video, and let's say you just take pictures with the burst mode. They have a separate album for the burst mode and a separate album for the slow motion in the Photos app automatically. But other than that, everything is the same. As I said, if you want to know what iOS 8 brings to the table, go watch my other video that runs the iOS Beta 1, showing you the new features with the iOS 8 Beta. But as far as iOS Beta 2 goes, there really is nothing new going on right now. Now I just want to clarify, there are small things that have changed. There are subtle changes. For example, if you go to the Messages app, this camera icon used to be blue in the iOS 8 Beta 1, which I don't know what the big deal is. Now it's not blue, it's gray. Okay? And the only changes you're going to find so far are changes of that kind. Tiny, tiny, subtle, worthless changes. Okay? So as you know, as the betas get released, the final most stable beta is called the Gold Master Edition. Okay, until the Gold Master Edition comes out, you're really not going to see a stable iOS system. Okay, you're going to see app crashes, things like this search button is not going to work, home button is going to get stuck, and stuff like that. Okay, so that wraps up this quick video. I may do the same video on the iPad, see if there's anything new going on over there. But if you want to see my full playlist of iOS 8 beta coverage, just see the link in the description below so you can watch some more videos.